Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration.
I forgot what we're going to do in this video.
Yeah, no. I messed it up, guys. Under pressure.
You can't do that because there's a sound of it.
What was it? We're going to have to wait until the kettle stops boiling. Probably have to wait until the kettle stops boiling.
Kettle's boiling. Oh, it's not. You're just waiting for. Oh, technology nowadays. Kettle, stop. What's my tune? I forgot it.
Oh, you fucked that. There's too much of a pause.
I can't do it now. Oh, what are we tune?
No, you're pausing. No.
Well, it's not going to work now. I'll just do a tune. No,
It is hard.
It's hard. I've got one just can't see now.
There you go.
Just wait.
Right,
Just
ready?
waiting for Irish's cup of tea that day.
Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration.
I forgot what we're going to do in this video.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Do you want to interrupt me when I'm in the in this video? No, you just say in this video. I'll be like in this video. Going to be tackling this lower outer skin of the rear hatch.
This lower outer foreskin.
Hey guys, welcome back to MX5
In this video, we're going to be finishing. Oh crap. Oh, it's so addictive that.
Oh.
So addictive. Little cheekly, but what's that? Richard's coffee.
Hey guys, welcome back to MX5
I don't know, it's crap.
What?
I don't know.
You
Go,
went through it,
try
didn't
it,
you?
try it. Do it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to MX5
In this video, we're going to be tackling the bottom of the door.
Excellent.
No, it works, yeah. Yeah, we're wrong. Yeah. There's little pauses, little pauses.
Hey guys, welcome back to MX5
In this video, we're going to be finishing the bottom of this outer door skin. So, what outer door skin? What's wrong with that? The bottom of this outer door skin.
I didn't expect it.
Foreskin, door skin.
Yeah, outer foreskin. Should we bottom of this outer door?
Outer hatch. Feel like that.
Hatch skin. It does sound like foreskin, doesn't
Door
it?
skin,
Yeah.
foreskin.
So people will be rewound. At least we'll get a fucking rewound can, won't we? Did he get foreskin? Right. Bottom of this outer door.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's to...
In this video, we're going to be finishing the bottom of this outer door. So, let's grab some tools. Let you fucking finish it then. Raise your soul, let's grab some tools. We got it fucking rattling it off in. It's you rattling it. And my hands are getting sore as well. Ah, fucking paused it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's to...
In this video, we're going to be finishing the outer bottom door. We're going to be finishing the bottom, the
rear door, bottom, outer.
We'll not even say outer. The bottom of this rear door.
I've done the inner, so it's got to be outer.
They can see that though, can't they, when they watch the video?
It's not outer.
The outer section of this rear door.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's to...
In this video, we're going to be finishing the outer section, which is coming in my head again. Outer section, that's right, isn't it? Yeah. The outer section.
Outer section of this, bottom of this outer rear door.
The outer bottom. The outer bottom.
Just make it up. Outer bottom, rear, out, something.
See?
Skin. Just make it up. Go on, hurry up.
The outer section of this. The outer bottom.
The bottom of the...
See, not easy. The bottom of the outer bottom. Let him not go. It just the outer bottom. Your outer bottom. What the fuck is the outer bottom? The outer section of this rear door.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's. No, start again. Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's.
In this video, we're going to be finishing the outer bottom section door back.
Just keep splashing out words and we'll just work with it.
The bottom.
The outer section of the rear door.
This rear door. Outer section of this rear
door. Get bottom out of your head.
Outer section of this rear door. I've got to keep my head level just in case it falls out. You keep my head level. Finger. I got it on one of them. Too many saying, man. You know what it is, don't you? This one goes forever. This one just like, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome.
That was good. That was good. That was the best yet. The outer section of this rear door.
Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's.
Today we're going to be finishing the outer section of this rear door. Outer section of the rear door.
So,
let's grab some tools. Now let's crack on.
All right. You always do the so bit.
Watch it again. I say let's crack on.
No, I say no. You always say the so.
Which bit am I saying?
Right. I'll say the so. I'll say grab some tools. And you say crack.
Okay. That was good. That one as well, wasn't it? It's a wrap.
Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's.
I was going to say let's grab some tools and crack on.
Fuck the intro.
Fuck's sake. Today we're going to be finishing the outer section of this rear door.
No.
That was good.
No, your tap game was poor. The last three. That last bit. Hey guys, welcome back to Josh Carr's.
Today we're going to be tackling the outer section of this rear door.
So, let's grab some tools.
Oh, let's crack on.
See, that is your line. I think you should do the
I
sole
should do
bit.
the sole.
Yeah. What's that?
I want to jump over it. It's like when your kid does a jump for the first time, you go, oh, don't you? I'm going to run, I don't know how I'm going to run.
What are you doing?
Walk it off, walk it off.
Hey guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restoration.
In this video, we're going to be finishing the rear section of this out.
You need some cue cards, you guys.
Yeah, we've tried that, didn't we? So that's like getting a little bit feeble, isn't it?
Hey guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restoration.
In this video, we're going to be finishing the outer section of this rear door. So, let's grab some tools.
Let's crack on.
Just watch it, quick. Let's see if it works, because my hands are going shiny.